There are certain key design elements to consider when creating your tables.
Firstly, let's look at the heading format. We've made the text slightly bigger. So here it's 11 and here it's 12. This can help show that it's not data that's part of the table, it's just the label for the table. We've also made it italicized and bold to make it really stand out. Below that, we've given our column headings a bold and italicized font, once again, so that the reader can easily see that these aren't part of the main data, these are just labels, and the real data starts below. Also, we've used the same column widths. These are all the same column width, being 8.43, kind of the standard that happens, but if they ever have to change, you just want to make sure that they're all the same column width. Our J is bigger, but that's our row titles, so that's fine. And row heights. You got to make sure that all of your row heights are the same. Sometimes you would have changed some slightly and forgotten about it, but here we've got them all even, and that looks really nice. That can make a big difference to your tables. Also, you want text alignment to be strategic, and here we've got our data, because it's numbers, it's aligned to the right. Therefore, we've also aligned the column title to the right. Here we've got our row titles aligned on the left because they're text, and that looks better aligned on the left side. We've also indented them. So everything here is indented from the left slightly. Without it, it would look like this, but it does look better slightly indented to the right. You can do that with these two buttons here.